Aging is inevitable, but what if I told you science has just uncovered a way to slow it down, or even reverse it? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's real, and the best part? It doesn't require expensive treatments, magic potions, or some secret billionaire-only formula. Instead, it all comes down to 5 simple exercises, backed by a brand new 2024 study that can actually turn back the clock on your muscles and mobility. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fight aging and stay strong, no matter your age. Before we jump into the exercises, let's talk about why this is such a big deal. You might think losing strength and feeling weaker is just a part of getting older, but science says otherwise. There's a fancy term for this, sarcopenia, which literally means loss of flesh in Greek. Sounds dramatic, right? But here's the kicker. Research in 2024 has confirmed that sarcopenia isn't just preventable, it's reversible. That's right, you can rebuild lost muscle even if you think it's too late. One study found that with the right exercises, older adults were able to significantly regain strength in just 12 weeks. But, and this is important, not all exercises work the same. Some could even do more harm than good. That's why today, I'm not just showing you any exercises. I'm giving you the 5 that scientists say are the absolute best for reversing aging and regaining strength. Plus, I'll show you easier and more advanced variations so that anyone, whether you're just starting or already active, can benefit from them. Let's get started. First up, we've got the classic push-up. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Push-ups? That's for young people. But hear me out. Research shows that push-ups are one of the most effective exercises for building upper body strength, improving posture, and even preventing falls. They work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. If you're new to push-ups or have limited mobility, start with a modified version by placing your hands on a wall and slowly lowering your chest towards it. Once you get stronger, progress to knee push-ups, where you keep your knees on the ground but still engage your upper body. And for those looking for more of a challenge, go for the full push-up, making sure to keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. The key is consistency. Just a few reps a day can make a huge difference in your strength and endurance. Now that our upper body is covered, let's move on to the lower body with squats. Squats are often called the king of exercises because they hit multiple muscle groups at once, including your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. This means better balance, stronger legs, and less risk of falling as you age. For beginners, using a chair for support is a great way to start. Simply lower yourself down as if you're about to sit, then stand back up. If that feels good, try a bodyweight squat without the chair, keeping your feet shoulder-width apart and lowering yourself as far as is comfortable. And if you want an extra challenge, hold on to some light weights while squatting. Just 2 sets of 10 reps a day can have a huge impact on your strength and mobility over time. Moving on to the core, because let's be honest, no one wants a weak core. A strong core isn't just about looking good. It's essential for balance, posture, and even reducing back pain. And one of the best core exercises, the classic crunch. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands on your thighs or cross them over your chest. Engage your core and slowly lift your shoulders off the ground, making sure not to strain your neck. Hold for a second, then lower back down. If crunches feel too difficult, you can start by simply tightening your core muscles while lying down. And for those who want a bigger challenge, try bicycle crunches to work those deep abdominal muscles. Just like the other exercises, consistency is key. Aim for 2 sets of 10 to 15 reps and build up from there. Your core will thank you. Now let's talk about an exercise that not only strengthens your glutes, but also improves mobility and helps with everyday movements like standing up and climbing stairs. The glute bridge. To do this, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Press through your heels and lift your hips towards the ceiling while squeezing your glutes. Hold at the top for a second, then slowly lower down. This movement strengthens your lower back, hamstrings, and core, all of which are crucial for staying active and mobile. If you're just starting, focus on slow, controlled reps. And if you want to take it up a notch, try single leg bridges to engage your muscles even more. This simple movement can work wonders for your body's stability and strength. Last but definitely not least, we've got cardiovascular exercise. Whether it's walking, swimming, dancing, or even jumping on a trampoline, getting your heart pumping is one of the best ways to maintain overall health and longevity. Cardio strengthens your heart, keeps your circulation flowing, and improves lung capacity. Plus, it releases those feel-good endorphins that boost your mood and reduce stress. For beginners, a brisk 15-minute walk is a great starting point. If you're feeling more adventurous, try swimming or even dancing to your favorite tunes. And for those who want to work on balance, jumping on a small trampoline can be a fantastic low-impact cardio option. The key here is to find something you enjoy so that it becomes a habit. Just 30 minutes a day of moderate cardio can significantly improve your endurance, energy levels, and overall well-being. And there you have it, the 5 best exercises, backed by science, that can actually reverse aging and keep you strong, mobile, and independent for years to come. Remember, it's never too late to start. Whether you're 40, 60, or beyond, your body is capable of incredible things. So start small, stay consistent, and watch your strength and energy levels improve week after week. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And if you want more science-backed fitness and health tips, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay strong and keep moving.